So about 6 months ago, this was my very first Arduino project. It was designed to be plugged into the wall in between my golf cart charger, and then automatically turn on and turn off when the golf cart reached different levels of charge. So it worked, but there were a few things about it that always made me a little nervous that my house might burn down one day. Okay, so let's take a look at what was going on inside. You can see up here is my low voltage section, my LCD screen, all my momentary push buttons. This would all wire through to the ESP32 up here. On the bottom, the power cable routes into this electrical box and then back out the other side. I have a relay inside, which can be activated by these wires here, which go to my Arduino. And to power the Arduino, I wanted to tap into the electricity that was already flowing through here and have it come out as a 5-volt line. And that's where things maybe got a little bit sketchy. To accomplish this, I ended up hardwiring an old cell phone charger right to the 110 line, plugging in a USB cable, and then routing that out the back so I could have my 5-volt power and ground here. So this way, once the lid was on, everything was tucked away. I had my low voltage power lines for the Arduino and a relay signal trigger to turn the outlet on and off. So this worked really quite well, but I was always a little nervous about what was going on inside. I just got something in the mail today that will let me sleep well at night, and that is the new M5Stack Atom Socket. This, for $29, is going to solve all of my problems. Let me show you it. Check out how cool this thing is. So clipping into the top, you have an M5 Atom. So this is an ESP32, which has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and you can program anything you want onto it. It plugs into this smart outlet system, which also has a sensor inside that you could monitor the voltage. So with this little box, I can replace everything I had going on over here. The ESP32 can pop off the top if you wanted to swap it out or put it on your desk for programming, but then it just clips right back onto the smart outlet here. There's no screen on it, so I'm going to pair it with an M5 dial and use ESP Now to communicate with it wirelessly. This way, this can be my intelligence center, and I can just tell it over ESP Now to turn on and turn off and monitor the voltage. So if you're ever working on an Arduino project where you need to control a high voltage outlet or monitor what's going on it, definitely don't burn your house down and get an Atom socket.